In a dramatic turn of events, a federal judge has taken decisive action in a case that has garnered national attention. The matter centers on the wrongful deportation of Mr. Garcia, a decision made under an administrative error that ultimately drew the stern rebuke of the Supreme Court. Following a unanimous ruling that found the deportation order to be both unlawful and unconstitutional, the case has returned to the District Court in Maryland for further proceedings. The Supreme Court's ruling unequivocally stated that the actions taken by the Trump administration violated due process and a specific federal order that explicitly barred Mr. Garcia's deportation to El Salvador. She said, despite this clarity, federal officials have attempted to introduce ambiguity by questioning the precise meaning of a key term in the court's decision. And in recent proceedings, DOJ attorneys raised concerns over the definition of effectuate, suggesting that a more detailed explanation from the district court was necessary before further action could be taken. This back and forth in the courtroom has led to increased tension as federal lawyers appear intent on prolonging the process even after acknowledging the illegality of their actions. So, Judge Shenez of the Maryland District Court has now issued a strict order that requires the Trump administration to take every available measure to facilitate Mr. Garcia's return to the United States. In her directive, she notably omitted the ambiguous term effectuate, thus narrowing the focus solely to facilitating his return. The judge further demanded immediate and routine updates regarding Mr. Garcia's location, his status, and details of any steps that have been or will be taken. She stressed that any failure to provide daily updates would compel the court to take further action, including potentially moving forward with a show cause hearing and pursuing contempt proceedings. The human implications of this legal tug-of-war are stark. Mr. Garcia, who fled El Salvador due to escalating death threats and extortion directed at his family, now faces grave peril should any further delays occur. The gravity of this situation is compounded by the apprehension that the Trump administration's delay tactics might not only jeopardize Mr. Garcia's safety, but could also establish a precedent that undermines the authority of judicial orders in immigration matters. Legal observers suggest that the administration's insistence on additional time and information could be a calculated effort to evade accountability, a stance that stands in direct opposition to the clear directives provided by both the Supreme Court and the Federal District Court. While the DOJ representatives have urged for more time to clarify their approach, such requests only heighten concerns over the potential risks involved. Every day that passes without definitive action places Mr. Garcia in increasing jeopardy. In summary, the District Court has delivered an uncompromising message. The Trump administration must immediately comply with the judicial order to facilitate Mr. Garcia's return, providing detailed and regular updates on all proceedings. The court has set the stage for further scrutiny, and any sign of inaction may lead to serious legal repercussions. As the case unfolds, the enforcement of these directives remains crucial, not only for the protection of Mr. Garcia's life, but also for preserving the integrity of the judicial process.